Everyone, my name is Deependra Kumar, and in this channel, I always talk about open source. It may be open source contribution, open source projects, or open source program. So today, I have chosen one open source program, that is GitHub Octernship, and I will talk about why, what is it, and how can you apply for it. If you are first time open source contributor or actively contributing to the open source, how can you get started with the open source contribution to the GitHub Octernship? And even you can earn around a stipend $500 $600 per month. So let's get started, and let me go to the GitHub Octernship website. So let me search GitHub Octernship. Okay, the first search. Let me click on the GitHub Octernships. The first thing you need to do is register as a student on GitHub Student Developer Pack. If you want to know how can you get GitHub Student Developer Pack, then you can comment whatever you want. You can look for some tutorials on YouTube, and you can get GitHub Student Developer Pack. So I am gonna sign in to the website. Yeah, it's just taking a little bit longer. Mm, Let me pause the video and we will start again when it is done. So it is done. The mandatory things you need to done is to get student developer pack, that is provided by GitHub itself. Uh, there are too many benefits of student developer pack, you can see here, and if I go to the explore more offer, there are many more benefits. You can clearly see GitHub Student Developer Pack. These are the things that are provided by GitHub: Virtual Event Kit, Hackathon in the Cloud, Aspiring Creatives, Primary Code Spaces, Career Readiness, Intro to Web Development. If you have not or don't know web development, you can start from this package of GitHub. There are many more benefits. You can get a free domain from Namecheap. You can get Microsoft Azure, free access to 25 plus Microsoft Azure cloud services, and get $100 in Azure credit. You can get 200 in Digital Ocean domain from name.com. There are too many benefits of GitHub Student Developer Pack. So we will let me get back to the GitHub Octernship. What is it and why should you apply for it? Okay, GitHub Octernship. What does it do? It does actually. It is a program that connects industry with industry with students in paid professional experience. You have contributed, or you are doing some internships in the industry, but some internships are in unpaid. But here, if you contribute to the project or you are selected as a contributor to the GitHub Octernship, then you will be paid a fair amount of money to your work. Uh, that may be roughly around $500 to $600 per month. It may be of 3 months, depending upon the requirement of organization. Here you can see the organization, that is Upright Lambda Test. Upright is a backend as a service provider. Uh, it's a great organization. I have used their services and it's fantastic. So here are 10 available regions. In If you are from India, you can apply. If you are from Nigeria, Mexico, here are 10 regions. These are the partners. There are many more partners other than Upright Dive and all these organizations. But here only you are seeing only 4 partners. So you are there. These are the question. Are you eligible for the program? So let me see. If you are 18 plus or and student on global campus of GitHub or active contributor to GitHub, then you are. And one more thing, you need to be enrolled in an institute, like wherever you are residing in. So you are eligible for the program. Yeah. Are there any age restrictions to participate? Yeah. You should be more. You should be at least 18 years old to participate. Are GitHub opportunities remote? Yes. All participating organizations are remote friendly. What is the duration of Octernship? These are the duration 1 month to 6 months depending upon the organization requirement or your project. If you are partner, so these are the requirements you need to be. And how can you apply as a student? I have already applied for two organizations, that is I guess Upright and yes. So if you click through yes, I am a student. Okay. Yeah. So I have applied for Floramis and Upright. And if you want to apply for more organization, you can see here Octernships. I guess Upright has too many projects involved in GitHub Octernship. This is a project, this project, this project. Yeah. If you want to see more, you click on view more in Octernships. Yeah, you can see there are few projects you can see here and apply. Floramis Upright. I have already applied for Floramis and Upright. If you want to apply for these projects, you can uh, click on I'm interested and you can start with the project. So if you are actively contributing to open source projects and you are not getting paid for projects, so you can actually apply for GitHub Octernship. There will be a assignment your before organization schedule an interview with you. You need to complete that task and you can easily start with the GitHub Octernship. It has too many benefits like mentorship they will provide, and the stipend you will receive, and the contribution you will show. You can show it to your uh, organization in which you are gonna apply for the job, or whatever the reasons, whatever you want to do. You can be a freelancer. That may still be a benefit for to show proof of work to the organization or client you are gonna work with. So that's it for GitHub Octernship, and I'll be coming back with another GitHub program or another video. Thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.